Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. I'm doing this video with my hair still wet. Just got out of the shower, thought I would just put a ball cap on and just get on with it. So I got in my mystery box of awesome. This is put out by That Daily Deal, and I'll put the link in my description box for That Daily Deal. This is $25 a month, and you never, ever know what you're gonna get. Let me see if I can do a thumbnail. This thing's huge this month, and it's heavy. A thumbnail with a ball cap on. I think my last thumbnail with my Temu haul, I had a ball cap on. The same one. All right, so my Yorkie is right here trying to eat the cardboard. So yeah, I don't know how far I'm going to get with her right there, but we'll go ahead and see what I can do. Oh, she's trying to get this piece now. All right, let me just shoo her off my chair. Shoo, 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 shoo. All right, that didn't work. She's still on my chair. All right, so this is what it looks like inside. I'm excited, always excited, because you never know what you're gonna get. I can see right away what this is. 100% memory foam. A lumbar support pillow. This is good. Looks like it may have been opened, maybe returned. I don't know. I bought one of these from Temu. Don't know if you guys have watched that video, but it was one that I had to actually blow up. And I returned it. It was free from Temu. It was a free gift, one of those free gifts. But I still returned it, and I don't remember how much money I got credited to my account, like maybe $4 or $5, because even though it's free, you guys, you can still get credit in your account if the free gifts is not good. All right, let's check. Ooh, this is nice. Nice. All right, this is a lot better than the one I had to inflate myself. So yeah, it says, what does this say? I don't know. It says daintier. I don't know. Nice. And it's super soft. And yeah, I think this is going to be really, really good for whoever in my family will need it. Either me or my husband, my daughter. My daughter, she's 18 now, but when she was in the, gosh, I want to say the 6th or 7th grade, she had scoliosis surgery. So she has problems with her back still today. So that might help her. All right, let's just grab something else in here. Oh, this is heavy. This is really heavy. It looks to me like it's some sort of a blanket. It says it's 5 pounds. And it's purple. That's what it says on this. 5 pounds and purple. By Hio ZWTNS. I don't know. I was going to compare prices, like actually look these up on Amazon or something to see how much all this stuff really cost if I were to actually buy it. To see if this box is worth the $25. But I just don't have the time. I don't have the time. I might, before I upload this, put the price, if I can find the price to these things, put it on the screen. But, oh, this is a weighted blanket, first of all. This is definitely a weighted blanket. And it's small. It's like a lap. Looks like it's just for, if I could talk loud enough, it's just for like your lap or whatever. Or your legs, I guess. But it's weighted. It's really heavy. It's really heavy. Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. I want to keep my dog off of it. I like it that much. And I do have 2 bunnies that roam around my house. So I'm going to have to probably put this weighted blanket in my room, because I don't think I want them on it either, with their little claws scratching it to pieces. All right, what is this? besides it being a cardboard box for my dog to want to eat. Let's open it up. Of course, I don't have my scissors with me. That would be a goofy thing to have. Scissors for an unboxer. All right. This looks to be some sort of a frame or something. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's like a little tray, a little serving tray or something. Cute, or you know, like could be for anything you want it to be. Jewelry, a jewelry tray, a catch-all, a huge catch-all. So yeah, that's nice too. So far, I'm happy with this stuff. This is fun. So again, all of this was $25. You never ever know what you're gonna get. And this is No Vacuum Travel Compression Bags by Croto, Reaching New Heights. Don't think this is something that I would use. No. Oh, wait, let me see. Let me see. Still recording, yes. Thank you for your purchase. Are these those kind that you have to like vacuum? I think so. Like vacuum seal? I don't know. You don't really know, but they're huge and there's a lot of them. I bet there's directions. It says no vacuum travel compression bag. So if there's no vacuum needed, how do you get the compression? Fold your clothes and place them inside the bag. Do not overfill the bag or place any objects inside that are sharp. Seal the bag using the plastic zipping tool. And place bag on a hard, flat surface and tightly roll to compress the air. Okay. These might be good for all those Temu blankets that I keep buying. So yeah. All right, let me put these back in the box. This is not something that I would really get a lot of use out of, but we'll see. I can't get them back in the box, but that's good enough for now. All right. I know my phone is just about like got the memory all, you know, full up. So I keep looking at make sure it's still recording. What is this? Beast Gear. Thanks for we're an independent brand from the UK. Working hard to make high quality fitness kit that you can rely on. A fitness kit. What is this, like a yoga mat? I don't know. I need to start doing something though. I almost, well, okay. I was going to say I almost don't want to unwrap this because it's not something I'm going to use, but let's just see what it is. I still don't really know what it is. I don't know what this is. Cat, don't make all sorts of gross noises over there, please. What is this? With that, please know that I am here if you need anything at all. So I can email them or get a hold of them at bestgear.co.uk. I don't know what this is. Maybe I just need to go on their website and say, what is this? Do you guys know what this is? Anyone out there know what this is for? I don't know. Oh, my dog's gonna bark. Yay. Surprise, surprise. No, I really honestly don't know what this is. I don't know. I thought it would roll out to something, to be something, you know, like you open it. But this doesn't like rollout. You don't know. I don't know what it is. Okay, did I say that enough times? Okay, this one's got me stumped. Have no idea. All right, moving on. So then we have a USB-C to USB-C a braided cable right here. So that is good. And Brooklyn, what are you doing? Okay, good. Just calling my dog, seeing what she's up to. Oh my gosh, this is super heavy too. What is this? Ankle wrist weights. Somebody wants me to exercise. I think somebody is trying to tell me something. I know. But yeah, these I will actually think I'll use these. What? I'm confused. Okay. Is there 2 of them here? Yes, I think so. I think you take them like this. And doesn't say, it says ankle or wrist weights. All right, so I'd put it on my wrist and then what? It's a tough one. All right, well, you know, it is what it is. And I'm sure if I look at Form Club, maybe there's some sort of directions about, you know, ideas on how to work out with these. All right. Somebody is telling me something. I got something from Beast Gear and Form Club. All right. No wonder this box was so heavy. I'm like a weighted blanket, and then we've got some weights. What is this now? What's behind the door? Will you walk in or run away? See the video at ugames.com. Do not disturb. Have you ever wondered what is going on in a hotel room where the do not disturb sign is innocently hanging on the door? We have 2. In this game, you will get to open more than 100 different doors and see what is really happening behind the do not disturb sign. You decide, and if you decide correctly, you win. This game is absolutely not fun for the whole family, but it will be fun for you and your friends. Well, my family is old. All of my kids are over 18. So I am gonna have to check out the video, and yeah, we can check this out. Sure. I'm not gonna open it right now because I want to check out the video, and you know, I read to you what it was. Now, if you're interested in this box, I'm not sure if it's still available or if you would get all the same things or if we kind of get different things, but again, I will leave the link in my description box. These are called Spot On Mini Magnet Hooks. And that's the last thing in the box. Yeah. So, am I pleased? Yes. Was it fun? Yes. Am I going to do it again next month? Yes. So last month was pretty good too. It was some stationery stuff and like a little bubble making machine I didn't know what to do with. But you know, it was still fun. This month I think is much better. So try it again next month and see how it goes. All right, everyone, if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments down below. Also, please like, subscribe, and thank you everyone so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.